Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Allahumma rabbi zidni ilma. Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Ameen. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. This is lecture number 6 of testing of hypothesis. Normal approximation to Poisson distribution. An important advice. Be soft. This question is from June 20, paper 6-3, question 3. The number of customers who visit a particular shop between 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. has the Poisson distribution. In the past, the value of lambda was 5.2. Following some new advertising, the manager wishes to test whether the value of lambda has increased. So H1 has a greater sign. He chooses a random sample of 20 days and finds that the total number of customers who visited the shop between 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. On those days is 125. This is the test value. 20 is for lambda. So 5.2 is for 1 day, and for 20 days it's lambda. So lambda is 104, and H naught lambda is 104. H1 lambda is greater than 104. You can write lambda has increased. Here you can write lambda has not increased. This will help you to conclude the statement. Since lambda is greater than 15, so we have to use normal approximation. So x is normal approximately with mean lambda and variance lambda. So x is normal and lambda is 104 and 104. Since there is a greater sign in H1, so perform the upper tail test. First we need the value of z. 2.5%. This is the critical region. 2.5% is 1.96, because this area is 97.5%. When you will check this area in table, normal distribution table, you'll get 1.96. So because of the greater sign here, the test value also has a greater sign and equal sign, because test value is always inclusive. So we need this probability. Now first we have to do continuity correction, because we are doing normal approximation to Poisson. So 125, we are going on right side on number line, so we have to take the lower bound, 124.5. In upper tail test, always take lower bound. In lower tail test, always take the upper bound. So z, you have two options. Either you can calculate probability or just calculate the value of z. I'm writing both the options. 124.5 minus lambda, which is 104, and under root 104. You can write this as z test equal this number. This is 2.010. Now we have to compare this with the normal distribution sketch. See, this is 1.96 and we got 2.010. So 2.010 is in critical region. As 2.010 is greater than 1.96, Therefore 2.010 is in critical region. Therefore reject H0. If Z test lies in critical region, then always reject H0. That is sufficient evidence to conclude that lambda has increased. See, we have rejected H0, so we are accepting this fact. Sufficient evidence to say or conclude that lambda has increased. I hope this lecture will help you to understand how to use normal approximation to Poisson in testing of hypothesis. You can get the soft copy of this lecture from the math website and check the description for the link of math website. Good luck and Allah Hafiz.